Hello and welcome to the fifth tutorial of the Messenger application. And in the previous video I have created the story list of the messages fragment, and in this tutorial I will create the messages list on the home page. The first thing I need to do is create the model layout for the messages single item layout. Okay, so let's create a model layout for messages. First of all, wrap the set the height to wrap content, and this is the single view you are you people are looking and seeing the single view of the messages list. So let's create this one. The first attribute, the first view of the layout is the circle image view. Okay, add some padding and now set the width and height to 40 dp, and again the next attribute of the circle image view is going to be the source. For example, the dummy picture, for example picture 2, and again the ID of the profile image means the circle image view ID is going to be profile image, and set the alignment of the image view to start. And again there is a and there is a profile name, the message of the user, the time of the user, and the read icon. For example, if someone read the message, the picture of the user shown at the left of the view. So create a text view which is simply the name of the user, that is txt profile name, and again set the alignment. For example, this text view is to end of the profile image. Set some margin, for example apply some margin to 12 dp from start, and again the text size of the text view to 16 sp, and again the text style to bold. Okay, this is the message, and select and copy this text view profile image, change it to message txt message, and also it will below on the user profile name. Now change this text to, for example, here I am using Codeland Messenger application. Okay, again the next thing is to add the time of the message. For example, this is the time. For example, the text view, select and copy this text view and change the ID of the text view to let's say txt time, and it okay, the alignment is set to end of the parent view, and set the text of the time as well. Okay, set another attribute of the text view to top. Now the next thing is to add the profile name of the user, profile picture of the user, circle image view 15 dp, 15 dp, and again set the alignment, for example align parent end, and again add another attribute, for example it will below on the txt time. Txt time. Now add some margin from top to 5 dB, let's say. Okay, so this is the single item view of the message list. Give it the id to, for example read image. Okay, now the model layout is ready, and now it's time to create a message model. There are attributes, for example the string, profile name, the message, time, and again the images, for example the profile image, and again the image of the user who reads the message, for example. Okay, create a constructor, and again create a constructor of these variables, and also create the getter and setter methods of all these variables. And now create a adapter class, for example message adapter, extends recycler view dot adapter message adapter dot view holder. Now press Alt plus Enter and create and implement its methods and create a class of view holder, and also create a constructor of this class. Okay, now again create the two variables, that is the list of the messages model and the context of the activity. Create a constructor of the adapter class and add these two variables. Now initialize these variables. Let's say context is equal to context and list is equal to list. Now add attach inflate the message, for example the model of the layout, to a single view of the recycler view, and return the view, the whole view. Also set the size of the array list, and in the view holder class create a variable, for example the text view name, time, message, and circle image view, the profile image, and the user image. Now connect these items with the circle image view. Connect these items with the XML file. The model layout I have created, message is equal to find view by id, r.id.txt message. And now the circle image view, the image view 1, image view 2 is equal to this, and image view 2 is equal to r.id.read image. Okay, now create a variable for the message model and list dot get I. Okay, view holder dot image view dot set image resource model dot get image, and again view holder dot image view 2 dot set image resource model dot get image 2. Set the name, the time of the message, the time of the message, and again the view holder time, message name time of the text view. Let's say get time. Okay, now the adapter class is ready, and this time I will create the two more variables. For example, list messages model, the message model. For example, we have a model class, the model Java class I have created, messages model, and again this is the list 2. Okay, list 2 is equal to new array list, and add some items to this array list. As you can see that I have added some of the items to the array list, and now this time it's time to set the adapter, declare the variable for the adapter, to initialize this adapter below the list items, give the context of the activity, and also pass the argument of list array list. Now the message is list.set adapter. Okay, now run the application and check if it is working fine or not. In this tutorial I have covered the messages page. We have, for example, we have the bottom navigation view, and in the bottom navigation view we have a home page, and in the home page we have 4 more pages, that is the messages page, the active page, the group page, and again the calls page. And I have created the messages, completely the messages page, complete the messages page. And okay, now this is the messages page, and it is something look like the messenger, Facebook Messenger. Okay, so the next video will be for active page, and thanks for watching.